Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to see how we can extract our data and import it into a CSV file. Export from in the form of CSV file. So basically, let's quickly open our PowerBi desktop so we can clearly understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so here is our PowerBi desktop, and this is the stacked column chart which we used in our last video also. So just go at the top and here you have the focus mode. Just click here. Okay, and for example, here I have these data points. Okay, and I want to see on the basis of what values I received this data point here. Okay, so for that you just basically this is a phones at west region, which is the sales of phones in west region. Okay, so I want the complete data. So you just click on this, just right click here in this box, just right click. Okay, and here you have this option which is show data point as table. Okay, you just simply click on this. Okay, and here you have the data table. Okay, here you have the table, complete table, where we can see have subcategories as phones, which we selected there only, and this was the sale and region is west. You can see here this is only for west region and subcategory is phones, and you have all the data which is come under that particular data point. Okay, and if you want to export it, just simply click on this three dot which is present here. Okay, just click on these dots and here you have export data option. Okay, so just simply click here. This is the export data option which is present here. You just simply click on this option, and if you want to save this, you can just, this is your file name and I want to save it like this only. Okay, and let's check it out. It's CSV data which we exported as a CSV file, okay, from PowerBi. Okay, so that's how you can export data from PowerBi and just simply store it in a CSV file, in CSV format. Okay, for watching, like, share and subscribe for more such videos.